Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb run into and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning 1 of the phrasal verb run into is to meet somebody by chance. The women are chatting about what they did over the past week. You won't believe who I ran into last weekend. Charlie. During a lunch hour in work, 2 friends are catching up. Guess who I ran into in the bar on Saturday? Who? Our manager, and we went on a date. Meaning 2 of run into is to crash into somebody or something. While they were driving, they lost control of the car. Something happened to the car and I ended up running into a tree. The woman is injured in hospital because of a traffic accident. The truck just ran into me out of nowhere. Meaning 3 of run into is to experience difficulties in something. The family are burdened with some financial difficulties. We have to take out a loan to cover some of these bills, but I don't want to run into too much debt. The manager delegates some work to their employees. Aim to have it complete by the end of the day. If you run into any issues, just pop me an email. Meaning 4 of run into is to reach a particular level or amount. He was offered a lucrative salary package to take up a job with the company, so he accepted. My income now runs into 6 figures. The stockbroker has done very well recently. The share prices have run into the thousands. Given time, I could become a millionaire. So, let's summarize. Run into can mean to meet somebody by chance. I ran into a friend I hadn't seen in years. To crash into somebody or something. The bus swerved off the road and ran into a group of pedestrians. To experience difficulties in something. We ran into some difficulty toward the end of our task. To reach a particular level or amount. The sports club grew so much that its value ran into the millions. Where did you hear the phrasal verb run into? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.